What we do here when we start with a scrap railroad track. Then the first thing that we do is we break it to length, which is you see on our breaker, we're taking the railroad track that comes in by truck or railroad car. Then we take that up to our breaker, and that's a mechanical brake, and we break that to 12 and 14 foot. So charging the furnace, and we start entering rail one at a time. Every 26 seconds, there's a rail that's being charged into the furnace, and at the same time, we'll have one being discharged at the furnace. So when we charge the rail into the furnace, we get 65 rail in there at one time. And then every time we exit that rail, that temperature of that railroad track is 2,230 degrees. Roll through those rolls, there's knives inside of those passes. That's why it's called a slitter, because we are going to slit that rail into 3 sections. So as it goes through the slitter, that one piece of railroad track now is slid into a head section, a web section, and a flange section.
With your questions? Is
Yep.
that okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. So my name's Diane Gunning. I've been with Franklin Industries now for about a year and a half. My title is an account developer. So basically what I do is maintain relationships with our current customers and look for new customers. I have an extensive sales background. This was new to me coming to Franklin Industries. I've never worked for a manufacturer. I own my own business in the restaurant industry and had lots of sales management. So this was something new and challenging. But what we do here in Franklin, as far as in the sales department, our product is used all throughout the country, and we even have customers in Canada, and we have customers in Mexico, Puerto Rico. We're even selling to Australia.
The training that has helped me the most is learning to differentiate the different types of rail that we have here, the different types of testing that we do on this rail before we can process it on the mill, and just the overall process of what needs done for the rail in order for it to run properly on the mill.